Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Genesis GV70 electric vehicle with ease. First, ensure your vehicle is off and in park. To open the motorized charging door, simply press and hold the dedicated button on the left side of your dashboard. The door will open automatically, revealing the charging port. You'll see indicator lights next to the port, showing your current state of charge. Then, just flip open the inlet cover, and you are ready to plug in. Charging at home offers great convenience. You have two main options, Level 1 and Level 2. Level 1 uses a standard 120-volt outlet, providing about 3 miles of range per hour, taking up to 77 hours for a full charge. For faster charging, a Level 2 240-volt system is ideal. It can fully charge your GV70 in about 8.5 hours, and typically requires professional installation for optimal performance. When you're on the go, public charging stations provide excellent flexibility. You'll find both Level 2 and Level 3 DC fast chargers. Level 3 is the fastest, using high-power units to charge your GV70 from 10% to 80% in as little as 19 minutes. Your vehicle uses a CCS connector for Level 3 charging, and with an adapter, you can access over 20,000 Tesla superchargers. Always confirm the plug type when searching for a station. To get the most out of your Genesis GV70 battery, consider these tips. For everyday use, charging to about 80% helps preserve battery longevity. Save 100% charges for longer journeys. Take advantage of regenerative braking to convert kinetic energy back into battery power, increasing your range. Also, use your vehicle's scheduling feature to charge during off-peak electricity hours, and preheat or pre-cool your cabin while still plugged in to save battery power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.